Check out this 2017 GMC Savana cargo van. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are power door locks, power steering, power windows, traction control, rear-wheel drive, trip computer, bucket seats, MP3 player, auxiliary PWR outlet and gasoline fuel. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.